Brahmana, unveiling the ritualistic dimensions of the Vedas. The Brahmana texts, an integral component of the Vedic literature, occupy a distinctive place within the Hindu scriptures. These texts expound upon the rituals, ceremonies, and symbolic interpretations of the Vedic hymns and mantras found in the Sahits. In this comprehensive article, we explore the nature, structure, content, and significance of the Brahmana texts, shedding light on their crucial role in shaping the ritualistic and philosophical landscape of ancient India. Brief overview. The Vedas, the ancient texts of Hinduism, are divided into four layers: Sahits, Brahmanas, Rayakas, and Upanishads. The Brahmana texts constitute the second layer, following the Sahits, and provide detailed explanations and instructions for performing the intricate rituals mentioned in the hymns. These texts bridge the gap between the lofty philosophical concepts of the Upanishads and the practical rituals of the Vedic tradition. Nature and structure. The term Brahmana is derived from the Sanskrit word Brahma, which signifies both a priest and the knowledge related to rituals. Brahmana texts are characterized by their prose style, in contrast to the poetic nature of the Sahits. They are composed in a more systematic and didactic manner, laying out the procedures for rituals and ceremonies in great detail. Each Veda has its own set of Brahmana texts. 1. Rigveda Brahmanas. 2. Samaveda Brahmanas. 3. Yajurveda Brahmanas. 4. Atharvaveda Brahmanas. Content and themes. The primary focus of the Brahmana texts is the proper performance of rituals, sacrifices, and ceremonies that are integral to Vedic practice. These texts elaborate on the symbolism and significance behind each ritual action, explaining the precise order of offerings, chants, and gestures. They often incorporate mythological narratives to provide a contextual background for the rituals. The Brahmanas also contain discussions on cosmology, ethics, and social order, presenting a well-rounded exploration of ancient Indian thought. Symbolism and interpretation. One of the distinct features of the Brahmana texts is their emphasis on symbolic interpretations of the Vedic hymns. The rituals are often explained allegorically, revealing hidden meanings behind every action. This layer of interpretation imparts a deeper philosophical dimension to the rituals, connecting the external acts with spiritual truths and cosmic principles. Philosophical implications. While the Brahmana texts are predominantly concerned with ritualistic details, they also lay the groundwork for the philosophical concepts that would be expounded upon in the Upanishads. The rituals prescribed in the Brahmanas foster discipline, devotion, and a sense of order, creating a fertile ground for seekers to explore profound questions about the nature of reality, the self, and the divine. Influence on Hindu culture. The Brahmana texts have played a pivotal role in shaping the religious and cultural practices of Hinduism. They form the basis for the complex system of Vedic rituals that are still practiced in various forms today. Moreover, their emphasis on the interconnectedness of the physical and spiritual realms has left an indelible mark on Hindu thought, permeating the understanding of rituals, ethics, and the pursuit of higher knowledge. Conclusion. The Brahmana texts serve as a bridge between the ethereal hymns of the Vedic Sahits and the profound metaphysical insights of the Upanishads. Their meticulous descriptions of rituals, symbolic interpretations, and philosophical underpinnings provide a comprehensive framework for understanding the multifaceted dimensions of the Vedic tradition. Through their enduring influence on Hindu practice and thought, the Brahmana texts stand as a testament to the intricate tapestry of ancient Indian spirituality and culture.